For car navigation, you can download the required navigation software, such as Google Maps, by yourself. Bluetooth function. After connecting to the Bluetooth of the mobile phone, you can make calls and play music. Click the icon on the right to connect or disconnect Bluetooth by yourself. The original car function. Support dual systems, free switching. Network information settings can be connected to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth for G-card settings. Boot logo settings. You can design boot logo by yourself. The picture is saved in the U-disk and inserted. In the host, click the search icon. Click to replace. Brightness settings. Support individual settings. Brightness of day and night. Turn on the lights. Will automatically switch to night mode. Sound settings. Navigation volume. Music volume. System volume. Bluetooth volume. Support individual adjustment. DSP sound settings. Bass custom settings. Set the sound effect size for different seats. Band frequency regulation. Stronger sound. Settings of disabled video when driving. Reversing assistant line. The air conditioning of the original car can also be directly controlled. Here you can choose the navigation software you downloaded and switched between them. Automatically connect to Bluetooth as well as automatically answer call settings. View product versions. Viewing system memory. Support for multiple languages. We need to select correct rear camera type. Set the duration for which the 360 reversing image appears when turning. original car resolution, steering will control model selection. Set the order of the system icons of the original car. Select the original car host. Connect to use Carplay. Carplay phone. Carplay music. Use the software at the same time with split screen.